Alright, today I got this Toyota Camry and it's making a noise in the back, and as you can see I got my GoPro mount right here. We're gonna put a GoPro and take a look at the problem here. So usually you would check the linkages and bushings, but linkage is solid in this case, but the bushing over here is bad on both sides. The sway bar bushing is bad. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look, see what it looked like and what we can catch with the GoPro mounted right here. So we're gonna bring the car down with the camera in there and record the whole process. Camera's gonna sit right here watching the little guy. Well, I'm gonna have to fix the video. Alright, so let's put it back in. Now straight. Lock it up. Alright, the car is about to hit the ground. You should see some kind of movement there. And we're on the floor. As you guys saw, all this was moving, and we're gonna replace this bushing. They're only about like $7. Both of them, they come as a set. I do have a small package here. So these are the bushings. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna replace new bushings, and to change this, we might gonna have to heat this up because they will break these bolts. So heat these up on the back end. 1, 2, there's 3 of them, and the bushing will come out. We'll heat it up just like that. And this Toyota Camry, it has 3 on this bracket, 3 of them will come off, and the new bushing will go on. Alright, so heat them, all 3 of them up, and once they're nice and warm, they should come right out. Alright, once they're hot, I'm gonna simply just take them out. So I can leave it in there, it'll come off with the bracket.
And just say the other one.
Good job.
Oh.
And that's the last one right there. Go. And the bushing is hot. We're gonna let it cool off and we'll take it off. All right, it's hot, but this bushing should have like a little opening. You see right there? That's the opening and it comes right out of the bar. Shouldn't be doing this, but it's hot, be careful. And there you go. So what you're gonna do is if you're gonna clean this area off a little bit, put some greasing on this, that way the new bushing can, it's always gonna spin in there a little bit, but if you put grease in here, the marine grease, the red grease, that gives a little bit of lubrication and it lasts much longer. Alright, so the camera froze, but that thing is clean. Just wipe it down with a rag, a little bit of greasing all around, or you could even put it inside the bushing, and that's it. Perfect. So this is just a regular bearing grease. You could use the red marine grease, bearing grease, it works out pretty good. Now it's time for a new bushing. So we did this, everything so far under 10 minutes. The new bushing just goes right on. And put your bracket on next. Alright, so make sure you catch the threads really good. Do not cross thread them. Do it by hand first. One. So once he finishes up, we're going to show you the complete job compared to the opposite side. Okay, so we're complete. Look at that. No wiggling in there, no noise. And we still have a noise on this side. So he's going to work on this side. Same process. Bushings come in a pack. That's it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you're able to fix your rear end noise on your vehicle.